Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and today I wanted to share a quick tip about pressing your quilt blocks. I prefer to use a spray bottle. I do not use steam on my iron, so for this little tip I'm going to show you how to fill your bottle with water and then add a pretty scent to make that pressing job just a little bit more pleasant. I add a tiny bit of essential oil, and I happen to purchase an inexpensive little bottle here of lavender scented essential oil, and I add just a little bit to my spray bottle. I put a label on so that I would remember and that those around me would know what this is, and that's all there is to it. Now when I press my quilt blocks and when I'm pressing my scraps, it makes this job just a little bit more pleasant, and I really enjoy pressing with my lavender scented water. I'm using a lavender scented water. What scent or essential oil will you be adding to your spray bottle? I'm curious to know. Leave a comment below, and thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time.